In uncertain times, canned foods are the backbone of any emergency pantry. Whether you're preparing for a natural disaster, a power outage, or just want to be ready for unexpected events, having a well-stocked supply of canned goods can make all the difference. These humble cans are more than just convenient. They're a lifeline when fresh options aren't available. When fresh food is scarce, canned goods provide reliable nutrition, no refrigeration needed. They're shelf-stable for years, so you can always count on them to be there when you need them most. From soups and beans to meats and vegetables, canned foods offer a wide variety of options to keep your meals interesting and balanced. They're pre-cooked, ready to eat, and packed with nutrients, making them essential when power is out or cooking isn't possible. Just pop open a can, and you have a meal in minutes, no stove or microwave required. This convenience is invaluable during emergencies, but it's also a time saver for busy weeknights. Canned fruits and vegetables are preserved at peak freshness, so you don't sacrifice vitamins or minerals. In fact, the canning process locks in nutrients, ensuring your family gets the nourishment they need, even when fresh produce isn't available. Plus, the variety of canned options means you can enjoy your favorite fruits and veggies year-round. Start small. Add a few extra cans of foods your family enjoys each week, and rotate them into your regular meals. Over time, you'll build a pantry that's both practical and personalized. Choose items you know your family will eat, and don't forget to include a mix of proteins, vegetables, and fruits for balanced nutrition. This keeps your pantry fresh and prevents waste. By regularly checking expiration dates and using the oldest cans first, you'll ensure nothing goes to waste, and your emergency supply stays ready for whenever you need it. Canned foods offer peace of mind, security, and a sense of control when life is unpredictable. Knowing you have a reliable food source on hand can ease anxiety and help your family feel prepared for whatever comes your way. Investing in canned goods is investing in your family's resilience. With a thoughtful approach, you can turn your pantry into a source of comfort, confidence, and nourishment, no matter what the future holds. Protein is absolutely vital in emergencies, providing the energy and strength your body needs to stay healthy and alert when it matters most. When fresh food isn't available, having reliable sources of protein on hand can make all the difference in your ability to cope with stress and maintain your well-being. Canned meats and fish are a smart choice because they deliver protein with a long shelf life, require no refrigeration, and offer incredible versatility for meal planning. Tuna, salmon, and chicken are true pantry staples. You can use them in salads, sandwiches, casseroles, or even eat them straight from the can for a quick meal. Their mild flavors blend well with many ingredients, making them easy to incorporate into a variety of dishes. For a lighter option, choose fish packed in water instead of oil. This helps reduce fat content and keeps your meals healthier, especially if you're watching your calorie intake. Salmon with bones is an excellent source of calcium, which is important for bone health, especially if dairy is limited during an emergency. Canned chicken is fully cooked and ready to use, making it a convenient protein for any recipe. Add it to soups, stews, stir-fries, or pasta dishes for a hearty, satisfying meal with minimal effort. Don't forget canned beans. Black beans, chickpeas, and kidney beans are affordable, high in fiber, and filling. They're also a great plant-based protein source, perfect for vegetarians or anyone looking to add variety. Rinse beans under running water to reduce sodium and improve their taste and texture. Beans are incredibly versatile. Stretch them into chilies, dips, rice bowls, or even blend them into spreads for snacks. Stock a mix of proteins to avoid palate fatigue and keep meals interesting, especially during extended emergencies when variety is key to morale. These protein powerhouses will keep your family energized, satisfied, and ready to face whatever challenges come your way. Building a diverse canned protein supply is the foundation of a strong emergency food plan, ensuring you're prepared for anything while keeping nutrition and taste in mind. When fresh produce isn't available, it can be tough to keep your meals nutritious and satisfying. That's where canned vegetables and fruits come in. They're a reliable backup packed with essential vitamins and minerals that your body needs to stay healthy, especially during emergencies or times when grocery trips are limited. Stock up on a variety of canned vegetables and fruits to fill the gap and keep your pantry ready for anything. Canned corn is a great source of fiber and adds a touch of sweetness to meals, while green beans and peas provide protein, iron, and other nutrients that support energy and wellness. Carrots and mixed vegetables are also excellent choices, harvested and canned at peak ripeness to lock in flavor and nutrition. Always check labels for low-sodium options, or simply rinse regular canned veggies under water to reduce excess salt and make them even healthier for your family. Canned fruits like peaches and pineapple are not only delicious but also provide vitamin C and a quick energy boost. For the healthiest option, choose fruits packed in juice rather than syrup to avoid extra sugar. Use canned veggies to bulk up rice dishes, making them more filling and nutritious, or stir them into pasta and soups for extra color, flavor, and nutrients. They're incredibly versatile and can transform simple meals into something special. Enjoy canned fruits as quick snacks, easy lunchbox additions, or as a light dessert after dinner, perfect for both kids and adults. These shelf-stable staples help keep your family's diet balanced, meals interesting, and spirits high, even when fresh options are limited. By keeping a variety of canned produce on hand, you'll be prepared for any emergency, unexpected event, or just a busy week. Remember, good nutrition is key to staying healthy, resilient, and ready for whatever comes your way. Ready-to-eat canned meals are lifesavers when you need quick, comforting food. Hearty soups, chili, and pasta dishes require minimal prep. Just heat and eat, or enjoy cold if needed. Canned chili delivers protein, fiber, and flavor, while pasta meals are kid-friendly and filling. These all-in-one options reduce stress and provide warmth and familiarity during tough times. Stock a variety to keep meals interesting and morale high. All you need is a can opener and a heat source. No complex cooking required. With these staples, you can always serve a nourishing meal, no matter the circumstances. Canned meals are your emergency pantry's comfort food. Versatile canned ingredients are the secret to creative emergency meals. Canned tomatoes, diced, crushed, or as sauce, form the base for countless recipes, from stews to pasta. Broth or stock adds flavor and moisture, perfect for cooking grains or making soups. Choose low-sodium broth for better health. Canned potatoes save time and add hearty carbs, mash, fry, or toss into stews. Evaporated milk is a shelf-stable dairy option for creamy soups, sauces, or desserts. These essentials let you stretch your supplies and keep meals interesting. Stocking these basics gives you flexibility and nutrition in any situation. A well-stocked pantry is only useful if it's well managed. Practice first in, first out. Use older cans first and rotate new ones to the back. Check expiration dates regularly and integrate canned foods into everyday meals. Read labels, choose low sodium, low sugar, and healthier options. Consider allergies and preferences to keep everyone happy and healthy. Don't forget water. Store at least 1 gallon per person per day. Keep a manual can opener handy. Power outages make electric ones useless. Smart management ensures your emergency pantry is always ready when you need it.